the most significant breakthrough will come from the ability to interact with the real world through humanoid robots. Picture combining Grok with Optimus, and suddenly, you have a machine that can actively engage with its surroundings. Until recently, most people saw humanoid robots as slow, awkward, and unintelligent, essentially expensive toys with price tags exceeding $50,000, doing little more than shuffling around like forgotten props from outdated science fiction. But that outdated view is beginning to change. Elon Musk and Tesla are integrating Grok version 4 directly into Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus. Now try to imagine this: an artificial intelligence system as advanced as ChatGPT-4, but equipped with senses, limbs, and mobility. A robot that does not only talk, but also sees, moves, processes information, and takes action. It could clean your floors, fold clothes, prepare your dinner, tutor your children, or gently help an elderly person get back on their feet. And the most surprising part? The final price of the Tesla Optimus could still remain within reach at around $20,000. Wait! Before we roll on, welcome to Amp Drive. If you're into Tesla and futuristic tech, don't just watch, join the crew. Amp Drive is still under 1,000 subs. Yup, we're the early stage OGs. Smash that red button and be part of something before it blows up. Why scroll past when you can ride with the future? So, how practical is this Tesla bot in real-world settings now that Grok version 4 is integrated? What capabilities does the Gen 3 version have with Grok running inside? During a recent reveal streamed on X, Elon Musk gave an exciting update on Tesla's Optimus. He confirmed that Grok version 4 XAI's most recent language-first artificial intelligence will be embedded right into Optimus' central brain. Grok version 4 offers a massive 130,000 token context limit and can process over 1.8 million tokens every second. It is able to run native tools and manage several agents simultaneously. In comparison, GPT-4's limit is 128,000 tokens, but it averages only about 55 tokens per second via the public application programming interface. This is not just a simple software upgrade. The new model is expected to be the core brain that helps Optimus break out of limited factory roles. In scenarios where every millisecond matters, like catching a falling glass plate before it crashes to the ground, hardware infrastructure makes a big difference. Elon Musk shared that upcoming Optimus versions will run a customized Grok variant on Tesla's full self-driving chips and later on Dojo Silicon, allowing fast and private local computing. In contrast, GPT-4 needs internet access to reach cloud servers, which means a simple Wi-Fi glitch can stall the robot and expose your data to third-party servers. With a projected cost range between $20,000 and $30,000, Tesla Optimus is already being designed for hazardous, repetitive, or dull jobs that humans often want to avoid. But with Grok integrated, its true value becomes much clearer. Musk also confirmed that this integration work is already underway. The Gen 3 prototype is already using Grok for natural language communication and responsive voice commands. You will soon be able to personalize the robot's tone, preferences, and behavior. Eventually, it will even anticipate your needs without having to be told every time. Grok version 4 works as a reasoning brain, capable of solving tasks that involve complex logic, real-time decisions, mathematics, code, and scientific understanding. These are things that older robots, which can only follow fixed commands, struggle to perform. Because Grok can understand live data, Optimus will be able to sense its environment, multitask efficiently, and adapt to fast-changing situations on production lines. It might identify a delay, correct the problem, and keep things moving, all without a human stepping in. The same skills could translate easily to home environments. Security is also a crucial benefit. Since Grok processes data locally, sensitive footage from home or factory cameras never leaves your premises. In contrast, a GPT-based robot would send that data to cloud servers for analysis, which creates privacy concerns. European regulators under the General Data Protection Regulation and American agencies under the California Privacy Rights Act have flagged cloud data as a problem. Tesla avoids these issues by keeping data on its own chips, reducing the legal obstacles that can delay wider adoption. By 2026, Elon Musk predicts that you will be able to ask Optimus to perform a wide variety of household tasks. Most people agree that if it can just clean floors efficiently, the robot will already be worth buying. The idea that one machine can clean windows, vacuum, and do the dishes has long belonged in fiction. But that vision is moving closer to real life. Optimus is ready to clean your home for up to 10 hours on a single charge, and Musk says its value will exceed its price by a wide margin. Grok will not only give Optimus a voice assistant, it will become the robot's logic center capable of understanding unclear commands, asking smart follow-up questions, and adjusting when household conditions change. This combination blends Tesla's full self-driving vision system, which gives Optimus spatial awareness, with Grok's language model that is fine-tuned to handle real-world engineering challenges. Musk has made it clear the next version of Optimus will ship with Grok built in. This means each robot becomes not just a mechanical tool, but a helpful teammate. 10 hours of battery life becomes a full work shift. The robot can plan chores on its own, clean surfaces before a rainstorm, and even check if the family dog should be walked before dinner. The fear that robots will steal jobs may lessen as Grok-powered Optimus units become assistants rather than rivals taking on boring tasks so people can focus on work that needs empathy, creativity, or strategy. Of course, trust must be earned over time. Early Tesla drivers had to deal with experimental software and limited charging infrastructure. Likewise, early buyers of Optimus will need to accept some glitches. But Tesla's speed in data collection matters. Every robot with cameras learns from its tasks, and that learning gets shared across the entire fleet. Boston Dynamics never reached this kind of data scale. That's part of why Elon Musk is investing so much in this field. Lowering costs is not just about making more hardware, it's about sharing knowledge. Now imagine a few years from now, a robot wakes you up at 7 in the morning, spots cereal spilled on your sofa, reminds you of a meeting through your smartwatch, and quietly rolls out your recycling while the house is empty. With Grok, the robot can negotiate with your home's heating system to save energy, or look up a part number for a dripping faucet. At night, it might read your child a bedtime story, using your own voice tone it has learned over time. You will not need to code anything, just talk to it like a friend. There will always be critics, and there should be. A humanoid robot in your kitchen brings up questions about safety, privacy, and the value of human labor. But ignoring Optimus now might be like laughing at electric cars back in 2010. More surprises are coming this year, and Musk usually delivers on his bold timelines. He has already poured billions into Optimus because he believes it could become the most advanced and affordable robot ever made. GPT-4 is strong. It can plan for digital robots and simulations, but real-world mass production demands closer integration. Grok runs near the robot's hardware, understands motion data natively, scales efficiently with volume, and keeps personal data secure. For these reasons, Grok looks like the right brain for the robot Tesla wants to sell to millions of people. When will this version hit homes and workplaces? In the middle of 2025, xAI unveiled Grok version 4 and Grok version 4 Heavy, announcing that Gen 3 Optimus will include Grok out of the box. With a new subscription tier at $300 per month, developers and enterprise users get early access to advanced tools like video processing and artificial intelligence coding assistance. In benchmark tests, Grok beat GPT-4 and Gemini models on complex exams. In April's demonstration, Optimus used Grok to understand spoken commands, map surroundings in real time, and plan multiple tasks like cleaning and exercise coaching all from one battery cycle. With expanded cloud partnerships coming, Grok gives Tesla's robot something other machines have lacked: a true brain. Aging populations, a growing need for convenience, and the rise of smart home ecosystems all support this wave. Tesla wants to meet this demand with the third generation of Optimus. This version can perform multiple chores for 10 straight hours, including vacuuming, mopping, closing curtains, and putting away kitchen items. One demo video in April attracted over 56 million views in just a few days, and more than 5,000 people placed deposits. However, making these robots at scale takes more than flashy videos. Gen 3's edge is in how it thinks. Its control system borrows Tesla's full self-driving intelligence, but trains on footage of people doing chores instead of driving. The system can learn about 100 new tasks daily. That means Optimus will keep improving even after it arrives in your home. Hardware is tuned for practicality. Each arm has 22 degrees of movement, with sensitive fingertips that can hold eggs or screw on a lid. Weighing just 56 kilograms, it is about 30% lighter than Atlas from Boston Dynamics, so it fits in smaller spaces and uses less energy. Importantly, Optimus will not cost $100,000. Tesla plans to price it between $15,000 and $30,000 and hopes to drop below $20,000 by 2026. That is cheaper than many second-hand cars, and it could replace several hours of weekly labor. Executives also mention a pay-per-use plan around $25 per hour, letting people rent Optimus instead of buying. This flexibility makes Optimus appealing to both homes and small businesses. Mass manufacturing is where most robotics projects fail. But Tesla has experience. A pilot line in Fremont has built 9 Gen 3 units. Next year, Tesla aims to build between 5,000 and 12,000 units, expanding to as many as 100,000 in 2026. Tesla can use its own supply chains from battery cells to custom chips to cut costs that competitors cannot. Tesla is already testing Optimus on its factory floors, where early versions sort parts and handle simple tasks non-stop. Gen 3 adds a 10-minute fast-charging option to reduce downtime. For homes, it recognizes voices in 15 languages with over 95% accuracy, allowing natural conversations. Musk often says labor, not capital, is the real bottleneck in our economy. He estimates long-term demand for humanoid robots could be worth $10 trillion. Even if that is too optimistic, the potential clearly exceeds even the car industry. As older populations grow and service workers become harder to find, robots like Optimus will be in high demand. Other companies are racing too. iRoot, with Amazon's backing, is testing robotic arms. Samsung and LG are adding robotic features to their home gadgets. But none of them control every part of the production pipeline like Tesla does. Nor do they run massive factories for batteries and chips. Tesla is also working with regulators to create new safety standards for humanoid robots similar to car crash ratings. These would test how strong the robot's grip is, how it reacts to falls, and how it protects user data. A standard like that could help insurers and buyers trust the product faster. Will people feel safe with a robot at home? Early studies suggest they will, once the robot shows it is competent and respectful. Tesla's team is programming Optimus to look friendly, ask before acting, and move in ways that feel calm and natural. What do you think? Is a $20,000 to $30,000 price fair for a robot that can clean, cook, and assist the elderly? Would you welcome Grok-powered Optimus into your home? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more amazing updates about Tesla electric vehicles and the Tesla bot, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to AmpDrive. Your support means everything. See you next time!